Hello, Marco. Is everything on its place? Yes, I just left. You can go to the restaurant first. I'll pick up the cake and then I'll join you. Oh, one more thing. I made the reservation with the Ronaldo's name. Alright. Well, see you soon. Hello, is my order ready? Yes, sir. One moment, please. All right. I'm waiting for you. Here it is. Look. But why does the cake have another person's name on it? Your friend's name is David. No, not at all. My friend's name is Ronaldo. Oh, I apologize for this mistake. Can you give me another cake? Yes, of course. You can choose the cake you like. I just want a lemon cake. Unfortunately, we have no more lemon cake left. I was very clear. I paid for a lemon cake with Ronaldo's name. I don't want another cake. I want the one I ordered. You are right, sir. We apologize for inconvenience caused. This is unacceptable. Unfortunately, at this moment, we cannot give you a favorable response to your request. But to make up for it, we are giving you a voucher for your next occasion. I hope that will never happen again. I can guarantee it. Give me the chocolate cake. Here is your cake. And the voucher. We hope to see you again soon. Yes, goodbye.